Your 3-minute question and answer period for the Scotiabank Climate Action Challenge will now begin. Do you have an exit strategy for this project?
An exit strategy, meaning the way that how we're going to run next year. We do have a new project lead that we are training currently to take on the project for the next year. So it will be continuing on. We have connected with the Hazelview property buildings, and they have agreed that they're going to continue partnering with us in the future, and Sigma Innovation Lab as well. So for the next year, we are all set to go. We have our new project lead in training. We have current partnerships, which are going to be confirmed continuing to the next year, and we're all good to go. Next question.
How did your team secure funding for this project?
Yeah, the way that we secured funding, the first funding was from the Moonshot Challenge from the Brilliant Catalyst at the university, which is an entrepreneurship-focused program. This program provided us with $10,000 of funding at the startup. We also secured $2,500 of funding through the Project Accelerator for Hazelview Properties. Next question.
What was the biggest challenge you faced when implementing this project, and how did you overcome it?
Biggest challenge that we faced this year was due to COVID. We couldn't go into the labs. We also had a strike from our university, which prevented us from going into the labs as well. The way that we pivoted this was to cement our research and make sure that we have it all down, as well as start a seminar for sustainable engineering, which we're working on currently. And this way we can provide our audience the knowledge about sustainability and kind of pivot a little bit from our goal of creating seed pods and textiles. Next question.
What effect has your project had on greenhouse gas emissions, and how is that impact being measured?
The way that our project has an impact on greenhouse gas emissions is that we are diverting paper cups from landfills. So this will eventually lead to less carbon emissions. But the current amount of greenhouse gas emissions that we've diverted is 11 kilograms because we've diverted 100 paper cups. In the future, we're looking to increase this amount as we grow the project. Next question.
Have you had any unintended negative effects on the climate through this project, and how did you overcome them?
We have not, as we've been kind of doing everything remotely. So next question.
Can you clarify what you achieved just this year versus previous years?
Yeah, so I believe that this year we made a lot of significant progress with creating partnerships with the Hazelview Properties and the Sigma Innovation Lab. Those were really big steps ahead. As well, we pivoted towards more education and the seed pods.
Your time has now expired. Thank you.